Hey, kings and queens, gentle people, Waterbrook. We can be classified as foodies, island foodies. Culture is a way of life, and our island food meals are our way of life. In our DNA. Let me shout out to Clover for these lovely clips and videos. Thank you so much, Clover. The foods, meals we consume daily for lunch, for dinner. Listen, man, we eat healthy on the island and in the diaspora. And I said we are foodies, island foodies. The right proportion, it's a balanced meal. Curry goat, sweet, smelling, bubbling curry goat, peppery, soft, nice and juicy. Paired with the right size we love. We love the right size we love makes one great delicious meal. Oxtail. Oh, oxtail. We love you. Too expensive, but occasionally we indulge in another of our favorite meal, oxtail and beans. Yes, I. Chicken is one of the most eaten meals on the island. Easy to prepare, prepared in our style. Roasted chicken, baked chicken, curried chicken, fricasseed chicken, brown stew chicken, and the kids' favorite wings. Now, curried chicken. Yes, we love curry bad. Curried chicken is delicious, quick and easy to cook. Just use up our spices and voila! Singing, humming while we eat. The all-time favorite, fried chicken. It's crispy, crunchy, juicy. It's finger and it's licking good. Of course, the all-time favorite, fried chicken. Lots love it. However, lots of us love our fried chicken. However, a lot up for a healthy lifestyle, a healthier way of eating roast chicken, fricasseed chicken, brown stew chicken, baked chicken, brown stew chicken. It's all very enjoyable. Then, of course, we love a good stew, peas and rice with them spinners and the meat of your choice. Yes, we love pig steel in stew peas or even corn pork. Other use salted beef, fresh beef, and of course some love them chicken foot. Looking at the beef meals, peppered steak is by preference, and nothing like a good stew beef with lots and lots of vegetables. Wings are eaten in all styles: barbecue, jerk fried, tossed in all types of sauces, and of course the out of road favorite, jerk pan chicken with festival, the smoky flavored jerk pan chicken, the award winning jerk pan chicken with condiments of your choices: ketchup, pepper, pickle, juicy, sweet to the bone. And then we go far east to succulent pork, East Jamaica, Portland, beautiful Portland, the award-winning jerk pork, smoked with pimento wood, with that special blending pepper seasoning, that sausages to die for. And the accompaniments with these meals make the meal complete. We call them sides, the sides we eat with our meats, and the sides are many. White rice, rice and peas, red peas, rice and peas, gungo rice and peas, raw veg. We love a raw veg with our meals. Corn, mixed vegetable, steamed vegetable, pasta salad, potato salad. Of course, potato salad is one of our favorites. string beans, we call it green beans just the same. And I just want you to just think careful when you prepare your meals. Put together the right size, meat, the right proportions, and eat healthy as possible. Remember, health is wealth, and we need self-care. Thank you so much for watching Next Story Time. Please enjoy the rest of this presentation. Thank you.